the chemical which is present in the wastewater. But now, how the wastewater is disposed? Where it is disposed? Sugar rivers, in the river. Okay, simply it is disposed in the river. It is disposed in the river itself. So where people go collect drinking water, where people go take bath, where people go bath their cattle, and where fishes live. So all their lives are disturbed because of the wastewater which comes out of every textile industry. So there is an immediate need to purify, or else to remove the color, or else to lessen the level of chemicals which is present in the waste. So in that sense, we can go for, there are many methods which are available for the removal of textile, that is the removal of color, and also for the removal of chemicals. Okay, so for the removal of color, we can use certain chemicals like alum, which will remove the color alone. Okay, and also the chemicals which are present in the wastewater, they are not present as undissolved salts. They are present as dissolved salts. You cannot easily filter them. Okay, can you filter the chemicals which is present in the wastewater? Can you use a filter like a tea powder and can you filter it? No, you cannot filter it, but you have to remove it. Okay, so the dissolved solids should be converted into undissolved matter, and then you can filter it. Okay, for that you can use chemicals too. Okay, so you cannot bring for zero level chemical in the wastewater, but you can lessen the amount of chemicals which is present in the wastewater. For example, if the chemical contains 80% of chemicals, the wastewater contains 80% of chemicals, you can reduce the level of chemicals to some 30%, 20%, which will be of less harm to the water body, which will be of less harm to the people who are consuming the water, which will be of less harm to the fishes which are living in the water. But again, if you are using chemical, that is again a problem. So our question is, how can we manage the problem in an effective way? The problem is wastewater which comes out of every textile industry, which is simply disposed in water bodies. Okay. The solution is, we can treat it, make it colorless, make it chemical less, and then you can use it. Okay, we can dispose it to the water body, or you can reuse in the textile industry itself. Okay, but again, if you are using chemicals, that will add to the harm of the chemical to a greater extent. So it is better to switch for natural methods. It is better to use natural substances like moringa seed. What is moringa? Is a scientific name of drumstick. Drumstick is a very common vegetable in our region, Tamil Nadu region. Drumstick is a very common vegetable. So that seed can be taken from moringa. That is, moringa seeds can be taken. They can be dried in the shade, not under the sun. They can be dried under shade, and then they can be powdered. And that powder can be used for removal of color from textiles. Okay. And second one is moringa seed. Second one is activated charcoal. This activated charcoal is again a very good absorbent. Absorbent means it absorbs the color which is present in the wastewater, and the water which comes out is colorless. Okay, so in that sense, moringa seed and activated charcoal are very good absorbers of color, and they render the water colorless. Similarly, we can also make use of some other natural chemicals, natural substances to remove the chemicals. One such material is zeolite. Zeolite resin. It's a chemical only, but it is not going to add more harm to the water. So in that sense, we can make use use of moringa seed, activated charcoal, zeolite resin for decolorizing the wastewater, and then you can reuse the wastewater, or else you can also use dispose it to the